How to install Windows 10 in PC. To do this, visit Microsoft's download Windows 10 page. Click download tool now and run the download file. Select create installation media for another PC. Be sure to select the language edition or architecture you want to install of Windows 10. How to install Windows 10 on your PC. How can I install Windows 10 on my PC for free? With that caveat out the way, here's how you get your Windows 10 free update. Click on the Windows 10 download link here. Click download tool now. This download the Windows 10 media tool creation. When finished, open the download and accept the license terms. Choose upgrade the PC now and click next. Can you install Windows 10 on any PC? Step 1. Make sure your computer is eligible for Windows 10. Windows 10 is free for anyone running the latest version of Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 on their laptop, desktop or tablet computer. You can figure out which version of your computer by heading to Microsoft website. Here's how to upgrade Windows 10. How do I download and install Windows 10? To use the media creation tool, visit Microsoft Software, download Windows 10 page from a Windows 7, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 device. Can I install Windows 10 on a PC without operating system? Microsoft allows anyone to download Windows 10 for free and install it without a product key. Just begin the installation process and install Windows 10 like you normally would. When you select this option, you will be able to install either Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro. What is the cost of Windows 10 operating system? You can choose from three versions of Windows 10 operating system. Windows 10 Home costs $139 and is suited for a home computer gaming. Windows 10 Pro costs $199 and is suited for a business or large enterprises. Is Windows 10 Home free? Windows 10 will be available as a free upgrade starting 29th July, but that free upgrade is only for 1 year as of that date. Once the first series video copy, Windows 10 Home will run you $119 and Windows 10 will cost. Can you still download Windows 10 for free 2020? Microsoft free upgrade offer. Windows 7, Windows 8.1 users ended a few years ago, but you can still technically upgrade Windows 10 free of charge. Assuming your PC supports the minimum requirement for Windows 10, you will be able to upgrade from Microsoft site. How do I check my computer for Windows 10 compatibility? When it launches, click the hamburger menu in the upper left corner. That gives you more options to learn more about the upgrade, and it will also scan your computer and let you know if it can run Windows 10 and or what is or isn't compatible. How do I install Windows 10 on a new PC? Does installing Windows 10 delete everything? How do I install Windows 10 without a product key? First, you will need to download Windows 10. You can download it directly from Microsoft and you don't even need a product key to download a copy. There's a Windows 10 download tool that runs on Windows systems, which will help you create a USB drive and to install Windows 10. Can you boot a PC without Windows? Now any computer that you are likely to come across can boot from either a floppy or a CD. This is how the OS is installed in the first place, so it has always been possible. Newer computers can also boost from an external hard drive or a USB drive. Is Windows 10 an operating system? Windows 10 is a Microsoft operating system for personal computers, tablets, embedded devices, and Internet of Things devices, IT, and users. How do I install Windows 10 from BIOS? How do I get a Windows 10 product key? Why is Windows 10 so expensive? Is it worth to buy Windows 10?